Hi, I'm Ihor, a front-end engineer on the data visualization team at Grafana Labs. Today, I will walk you through the improved Canvas pan and zoom system and show how it makes working in Canvas more intuitive and powerful. Let's start by looking at how Canvas worked before. Previously, Canvas supported panning, zooming, and even infinite panning. But the experience had some limitations that made layout management more challenging. For example, panning were restricted to the panel area, making it harder to work with elements near the edges. Infinite panning could be enabled, but didn't offer full flexibility for positioning elements outside the panel. Connections didn't always behave as expected during canvas resizing. The ground images scaled in ways that could be hard to predict. And switching off pan and zoom sometimes left the layout in an unintended state. Now let's take a look at the improved version. The new system is built from the ground up. It offers smooth, predictable behavior, similar to tools you already use for panning and zooming, making it much easier to create and manage complex dashboards. You can now pan infinitely in any direction, place elements beyond the canvas edge, keep connection stable and accurate, pin background images to a consistent root container, and toggle pan and zoom off without breaking your layout. You may wonder, what happens to constraint when pan and zoom is enabled? We have handled that too. Canvas now uses an invisible root container sized to the panel to maintain your constraints even when panning and zooming. Here's an example with 4 elements, each with different constraints. Notice how all constraints are preserved and the element positions stay consistent. Let me add a background so you can see the container more clearly. This ensures constraints remain usable and predictable in any zoom state. We have also improved element rotation. Previously, connection anchors were always based on a rectangular bounding box, even if your element has a custom shape. Now, connection anchors follow the actual shape and rotate naturally with the element. Existing connection update automatically as you rotate. You might have seen the new zoom to content toggle. This is perfect for large panels with many elements. Instead of manually adjusting panel size or worrying how your dashboard looks on different screens, this toggle ensures your content always fits within view on any screen or panel size. Just enable it and everything stays visible without extra effort. To sum up, here is what the new canvas gives you: smooth pan and zoom, infinite panning, constraint-friendly layout, smarter rotation, and zoom to content for perfect visibility, and the ability to toggle back to the default view anytime. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new and improved canvas.